Hi everyone, why I don't use After Effects anymore?
Really?
After Effects has been go-to motion tool for designers for years, but it's got a steep learning curve it doesn't integrate with Figma. And you have to leave it. So by the end of this video, you will know why I never use the After Effects for motion work and why Figma has taken place in my workflow. So you can see a bunch of stuff happening here. We have a reveal, we have a load, and we have a background appearing and text, the navigation bar, and then the phone and this button here. So we are going to direct this animation and look how it was actually created. Here we have the frames used for this animation. So it's just 7 frames that created that whole animation you just saw. Let's look at the first frame. What do we have here? We have a block that is hiding this text. So that's the first reveal we saw. We have the loaded text, of course, behind it. So now if we go to the next frame, this block here is no longer hiding the text itself. It's going from decreased opacity to 100 opacity, and the text element that I am using is a clipped frame. So you can see here we have an auto layout with numbers that we are just repositioning. That's all that happens with this one. So it goes from being 1 to 99 like that. And this outer frame here is clipping the content. So from here we go 0 1% to 99%. So the only thing happening here, we're changing the position of this block of text or this auto layout of text element. So this is actually the first part where we need to include the image in the animation. So here the image is put outside of the frame. This frame is clipping the content and it's gonna come from the bottom up and cover the screen. This text here is gonna also change the position. So if we look here, changing its position, it goes up and we fade it out to 0% opacity. Then the next step is we have our navigation. So this is the first frame where we introduced navigation bar, and here is the second frame, that's where we revealed it. So it starts in the top above the frame, then we take it down here and show it. So that's the part of animation. The next part is where we show the text. So that means the text must be present in the previous frame, and it is, but it doesn't have any opacity and it's put a bit further down in the frame. So that's it, the horizon goes back to 100 opacity to make this nice transition. So that's what happened between these frames. Then we have this step where we show the phone. So that's the last thing that happens, which means that the phone must be present in this frame. So you can see that's beneath the frame here, and then the arrow is also beneath and it's a bit further down so that the appears a bit quicker and the arrow comes afterward. So if we play it again, the reveal, the number scrolling, the image floating up, now coming down, bold text coming up, and then the last we have the phone and the button. So that's an intro animation that is super easy and super quick to create with Smart Anime. And that's why I never use After Effects for animation work anymore. Now if you are interested in advanced animations, please let me know in the comment section. I'll do it for upcoming videos. If you need a more related videos, like this video and subscribe my channel. See you later.